Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about 있다 verb. Welcome back. My name is Young. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about this very popular verb, 있다. 있다 verb is used in a very versatile way as it's interpreted in many different things in English. So today I'm going to talk about main three ways to interpret this verb 있다. Number one, exist. It's the same verb as English word exist. Fundamentally, I associate 있다 verb to this English verb exist just because exist doesn't require an object noun. 있다 verb in Korean also does not require an object noun. So you need to use with subject noun at all times. So if I say 나무가 있어요, tree exists. So 나무가, which is subject noun, 있어요. That's the complete sentence. And number two is to have. If I say I have friends, 저는 친구가 있어요. 친구 is friends, 가 another subject particle. Like I mentioned, 있다 verb doesn't require object noun. 저는 친구가 있어요. I have friends. Even though in English, friends is interpreted as object noun, in Korean, we must have subject nouns with 있다 verb. In this phrase, you're gonna see two subject particles. In this case, usually we use 있는 subject particle first and then 이가 subject particle for the second subject noun. 저는 친구가 있어요. What if I say I have a pen? 저는 펜이 있어요. I have a pen. Number three, there is, there are. If I say there are many cars, 많은 차가 있어요. There is a beautiful sky. 아름다운 하늘이 있어요. To recap what we talk about here, number one is to exist. Number two, to have. Number three, there is, there are. So all these three interpretations are used based on how you translate those phrases in English. But in Korean, please remember, 있다 verb doesn't require an object noun. So you're going to have either one subject or two subject nouns sometimes in phrases. As you know, we omit subject nouns often. In that case, most likely we're gonna omit the first subject noun. So if I say 저는 펜이 있어요, I have a pen, I'm gonna omit 저는 because everybody knows that I'm talking about myself. 펜이 있어요. If I say 펜이 있어요 in questions, do you have a pen? I know that I'm asking you a question. I'm not gonna say, do I have a pen? Just remember that sometimes we're gonna omit the subject noun, but most likely first subject noun will be removed. Hopefully this clears out some of the confusions you have about 있다 verb. I hope you liked this video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below and share this video with your friends and families who are interested in learning Korean language. Until next time, bye bye.